people are coming to lawyers, they need to be able to trust their lawyer. They need to have confidence in lawyers. And the whole role of a lawyer is, it's not the lawyer's case, it's the client's case.
If the police do that and follow that process, then they have to confirm the information with the justice of the peace, and that's pursuant to Section 508 of the Criminal Code.
There are a few obscure limitation periods that have crept in other statutes, but the main one is the Limitations Act of 2002.
Questioning is really a process whereby one party can question the other in relation to the documents that they have filed.
So a direct challenge is where a private party says, look, there's a piece of law and I think that law is unconstitutional and I want that law to be struck down or want a declaration of invalidity.
So in addition to how shares can be voted, you can restrict share transfers, right? You often will. You'll say you can't change, you can't sell your shares without our approval.
The key thing, if there's nothing else you're going to remember, is that title is not guaranteed versus title being guaranteed. So huge difference.
This anti-avoidance provision is usually there where basically a company doesn't have enough retained earnings and it tries to move money out of the company up at the top.
Perfecting security. So the important thing to understand is that the PPSA, the Personal Property Security Act in the province of Ontario, governs security interests that are granted over personal property.
And the reason why this provision is in place is because they want to avoid the fact that the married spouse may have an interest in the property and they don't want it to go away.